Hi, I'm Vasquimil.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. I think it's the first time you ever see my face in this channel because I'm always the one who's behind the camera. So today we want to document our first ever business trip of Pet Busy. We're actually leaving tomorrow. We're packing here at home, and so we want to kind of share with you how we land on this first trip. We actually invited to a retreat in the Czech Republic. It's a marketing event in a castle. First, who invited us?
Someone who I've admired since 2010, and his name is Jarda. He's been successful 7-figure owner or 7-figure earner. Saw him for the first time on stage 2011 in Budapest. He got trophy, and that time I wanted to meet him. I wanted to connect to him, but I didn't know why and how could do it. How can I reach someone who is 25 chapters ahead of my life and become friends? So I couldn't figure out at the time.
There are always people that you look up to, but you have the Facebook, but you never know how to personally get in touch, and you find a way.
I wrote a book, and if you haven't seen the book, it's here. It's the Doer Revolution, and I wrote it. My wife put it together, and we packed this book and shipped to him.
But we not only sent him a book, we also tailor a personalized letter and sent him, and so he received it and then he replied.
A few days we jumped on the call. We had a 1-hour talk, and he invited us to his event, to his company that he established 2015 somehow.
A company called mytrees.
He's been running a couple of businesses, but this is one of them. It is about fast growing trees. To protect rainforest trees, for example, we need to avoid destroying them. And these trees that he's growing with his team and his community, these are eucalyptus, and mainly it takes 7 years, and after that you can take those trees and put it into the production. So this is really awesome. You don't have to wait hundreds of years for these protected trees. So this is amazing business, and
we are quite looking forward to it, to meet more other entrepreneurs and to find out more about his business. I think it's very interesting. At the same time, it's a very meaningful business. Okay, so we are going to continue to pack, and we will fly tomorrow morning, and let's see what will happen there. The day after we packed, the day we recalled, we took the earliest train from where we live to airport, and then we took the first flight from Zurich to Prague, and then we went to Chateau Mcely.
Yeah. Yes.
And it's a really beautiful castle. We spent a night there as well. So we went there and we explored the castle a little bit. It's very nice, and it has a pond. You can swim, and there's nice food.
Huge garden.
Nice gardens, and then we met the group. We greet all others, like members and people who join, other entrepreneurs there, and of course the 2 founders of mytree and the CEO of mytree.
Yes.
Then we had a formula.
Yes, we drove a formula, so we had to build a paper for formula, and it was amazing because We were split in 5 teams, and each team has 4 to 5 members. So we had 2 hours to build a paper formula, real formula, and the peak was to really drive it. So you will see, or you can see in the video.
Yeah, I was the one who filming it, and I did not like actually build it, but I saw them cutting the paper and building it, and everyone was really into the game, and I think it was really fun. And it was like really sunny day. The weather was super cool. After the formula part, it's the movie.
Yes, that's correct. It was introductory movie or the movie documentary. About mytrees, Colombia, where they planted those trees, land, people, environment, how to get there, how you can participate, and after that Q&As with 2 founders and CEO.
Yeah, so that's a 30-minute movie. It talks about the whole journey. So and then afterwards it was we had a dinner with the 2 founders and the CEO and other members as well. It was really nice dinner, like good food. It was in a glass house, but it was really dark at the time, so I didn't film it. But yeah, it was
maybe too full.
It was. So what is the conclusion?
So conclusion was definitely we met them. That was the first and foremost target to expand our network and get to know people around Yarda and around his team, around mytrees.
We also talk about how we can cooperate later, right?
Yes, absolutely. So they would like to expand this idea, mytrees, and try to give them understanding why the green environment is really important to this world. This is one point. And second point is cooperate in terms of addressing mass people.
We also talk about the potential cooperation in the future, but not only business. We also met a new friend in this event, and later on we were in Prague and we also meet up. So it was really a good trip for me. Not only it's fun and entertaining, but it also has meaningful experience. What about you?
Definitely, I'm really glad I met Yarda and his team and whole mytrees group, because I always wanted to meet him and shake his hand because of his previous success. I told you right at the beginning of this video. So that was the key point, to meet them. For me, nothing else and nothing more, and to understand their journey, their business, what they are doing right now, and how we can leverage or help each other in the future and keep in touch. So thank you to the whole group of mytrees, Yarda, CEO, Vladi, all of these people. It was really, really excellent, and I will put link below this video to understand what is actually mytrees. You might like it.
So I think that's all what we want to say, and I look forward to more business trip of PetVC, and yes, If you like this video, give us a thumbs
Absolutely.
up,
Like it.
share and subscribe to this
Mhm.
channel.
Yeah.
We will update you more about our business life or personal life
Yes.
here. So
More stuff is coming. Yeah.
yeah. So
Okay.
see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.